You guys are just really awesome for getting on this and trying to flesh these out. And I'm going to offer a little bit of feedback, but I just want to say that we're already really meeting the criteria here. The conversation and the points that I want to raise is really the matter for conversations as we go forward and refine these and think about these learning targets. So these are our daily lesson goals that really describe the chunking that we're going to do to get our students to understand the Lord of the Flies. And out here, instead of a written sort of paragraph, we are sort of listing again. This is usually meant to be a teacher's note about how to conduct this unit. However, we're setting some good ideas about the lens we want to view Lord of the Flies through, and that's interesting. Uh, but what I'm seeing here is I'm not seeing any sort of these are really general, and I don't know exactly how these incremental learning targets address some of these points. This appears to be an exercise in which we've taken these broader goals and unpacked them into a lesson target again and again and again, which is phenomenal, a phenomenal pedagogical exercise. That's great. And these probably all in isolation would be excellent additions to this unit. But there are no learning targets specifically trying to identify, the meaning of the conch or something. You can get pretty specific with this is the goal for the learning target today. I want you to take a position about how Lord of the Flies reflects society at large. You can get content specific with learning targets because that's how we're unpacking this unit. That's your daily lesson goals. And so it's a larger conversation about daily lesson goals and how we articulate and organize those so that someone can jump into this unit, a new 10th grade teacher, and start working through a progression of incremental targets that lead them up to take care of these larger ideas. Anyway, a little bit of feedback. I really do appreciate the effort here, and I hope this sort of makes sense and doesn't seem too nitpicky.